Assalamu alaikum students of class 7. Welcome to your lecture of English. This is our lecture number 23 and I'm your teacher Aisha Salim, and today is 10th of June 2021 Thursday. Students, as in our previous video we had done the worksheet of indefinite tenses, and today we are going to do the worksheet of direct and indirect narration. It's also in that booklet that you have. Okay, so you can see that some sentences are done by myself. The remaining sentences will be done by your own self. Okay, in this video, first of all, before solving the all sentences, before changing all the narrations, I would like to rewind the previous concept of narration. Let's start. First of all, students, I had told you that a sentence has two parts, and the first part is out of the inverted commas and the second part is inside the inverted commas. The part which is out of the inverted commas is called reporting speech, and the part which is inside the inverted commas is called reported speech. Okay students, and we all have make all the changes, all the major changes in reported speech. Okay, so then I had told you that we all have to make three major changes while changing a direct sentence into indirect sentence, and the three changes were: number one was change of pronoun, number two was change of tense, and number three was change of time and place. Okay, so we all have three major changes in reported speech. Okay, so first of all, we all have to recognize the tense, that what is the tense. Then we all have to recognize that which personal pronoun is used in reported speech and how can we change it into indirect speech. Okay, so now let's start. We can see gradually that how can we change a personal pronoun in while changing a sentence into indirect sentence, and how can we change the tense also. So let's start. First one is she said. Okay, first of all, you all have to write date and day on the top. Understood? Don't forget to write date and day. Let's start. She said, I am going to Islamabad. First of all, you all can see that this sentence has two parts. Number one is reporting and number two is reported. Okay, now which tense is this? I am going to Islamabad. Yes, you can see am here and first form with ing, and so this is present continuous tense. So in present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous tense. Okay, so she said, commas will be changed into that. She said that. Now you can see I here. I is a personal pronoun. It's first personal pronoun, and you know that first personal pronoun will be changed according to the subject of reporting speech, and the subject of reporting speech is she. So that is why we have to write she here. She said that she. Now I told you that present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous. So you can see a helping verb here, was. Am will be changed into was. She said that she was going to Islamabad. Now you can see that we have changed pronoun and we have changed the tense also. Okay, next, he said to me, I am not your teacher. So students, when you can you'll see said to, you have to write told here. So he told me, commas will be changed into that. He told me that. You can see he here and I here, and I will be changed according to the subject of reporting speech. So we have to write he here. He told me that he was not my teacher. You can see it's also present tense, and present tense will be changed into past tense, and we have changed it that he was not my teacher. Next one, she will say, I have cleaned the room. Now that's the point. Students, I had told you that if you will see past tense in the reporting speech, so the tense of reported speech will be changed. But if you will see present tense or future tense in the reporting speech, the tense of reported speech will not be changed, but we all have to change the pronoun and time place. Understood? She will say, I have cleaned the room. Now you can see it's present perfect tense because we have used have here, a helping verb and third form of verb, so it's present perfect tense. So, and this is will say, it's future tense. So as I had told you before, the when you will see future or perfect present tense in reporting speech, the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. So let's see, she will say that, commas will be changed into that. Now I will be changed according to the subject because I is a first person and first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting speech. So I will be changed into she. She will say that she has cleaned her room. Now students, you can see here कि यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने टेंस हमारा सेम टू सेम है, हैज़ के साथ थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हम लोगों ने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में यूज़ करते हैं. एज यू कैन सी दैट इट इज़ ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. वी हैव नॉट चेंज्ड tense, but we have made the other changes. We have changed the pronoun and we have to write the helping verb according to the new pronoun. Understood? Remember this point. Next, my teacher said earth revolves around the sun, and its indirect sentences, my teacher said that earth revolves around the sun. Okay students, one more thing, ये जो हमारे universal truths होते हैं ना, उसको हम बिल्कुल चेंज नहीं कर सकते, सो दैट इज़ वाई यहाँ पर एज इट इज़ आएगा अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. आप यहाँ पे ये नहीं लिख सकते हो दैट अर्थ रिवॉल्व्ड. कहीं आप लोग ये सोचो कि टीचर ने बोला था कि इन जो हमारा प्रेजेंट टेंस है उसको हम पास्ट में चेंज करेंगे, यहाँ पे सेट भी है, तो सो दैट इज़ वाई हम लोग इसे रिवॉल्व लिख सकते हैं. नो, जो हमारे यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ्स होते हैं उसको हम चेंज नहीं करते हैं. Okay students, I hope that this video will be helpful for you all, and you can do the other 6 sentences by your own self. And let me read the sentences for yourself. My friend said to me, I am taking part in the speech contest. They say to me, you are not performing your duty well. My mother said to me, always speak truth. The teacher says to him, you are a brilliant student. He said to me, I will go to Karachi tomorrow. My friend said to me, I am going to see snowfall. So students, I hope that you can do it easily now, as I had explained it very well. But बहुत ध्यान से कीजिएगा, टेंस को देख के, अपने रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से देख कर. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.